Welcome to our channel dedicated to all things photography and videography. So without delay, let's start to the video. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 II. Packed with upgrades and features, this compact powerhouse is ready to take your photography and videography to the next level. Let's get started. Key upgrades to a compact hybrid powerhouse. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 II boasts some serious upgrades, making it a force to be reckoned with. With its phase hybrid autofocus, improved IS, and unlimited video capabilities, this camera is a game changer. Plus, with its 24.2MP 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor, expect stunning high-resolution images with natural detail. Fast, accurate phase hybrid autofocus. Say goodbye to blurry shots. The advanced subject detection and metering technologies in the S5 II ensure fast and accurate autofocus, even in challenging lighting conditions. Once locked onto your subject, it keeps tracking, making it perfect for capturing those fast-moving moments with precision. Powerful image stabilization. Shaky footage is a thing of the past thanks to the powerful image stabilization in the S5 II. Panasonic has taken it up a notch with active IS, supporting walking shots and further enhancing stabilization during video recording. Get ready for smooth, professional-looking footage every time. Expressive video functionality. Calling all videographers. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 II offers expressive video functionality with its 14+ stop vlog V-gamut capture, delivering high dynamic range and broad colors. Plus, the real-time LUT function enables in-camera color grading, giving you even more creative control over your videos. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 II is a true hybrid powerhouse, combining top-notch photography and videography features in a compact package. With its advanced autofocus, powerful image stabilization, and expressive video functionality, it's a must-have for any content creator. Upgrade your gear and elevate your creativity with the S5 II today. The Sony a7 III ILC7M 3B full-frame mirrorless interchangeable-lens camera. Packed with advanced features, this camera promises to take your photography game to the next level. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Superior image quality. The Sony a7 III boasts an impressive 24.2MP BSI full-frame image sensor with a 1.8x readout speed, delivering stunning clarity and detail in every shot. With a 15-stop dynamic range and 14-bit uncompressed RAW capability, you'll capture images with unparalleled depth and richness. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, this camera ensures exceptional quality. Fast and precise autofocus. Equipped with 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points covering 93% of the frame, the a7 III offers lightning-fast and accurate autofocus performance. Whether you're tracking moving subjects or focusing in low-light conditions, this camera delivers sharp and clear results every time, ensuring you never miss a moment. Extended battery life and connectivity. Say goodbye to frequent battery changes with the Sony a7 III's impressive battery life. With approximately 610 shots using the viewfinder and 710 shots using the LCD monitor, you can shoot for longer without interruption. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily transfer images to your smartphone for quick sharing on the go. The Sony a7 III ILC7M 3B is a powerhouse of a camera that excels in both performance and versatility. From its superior image quality and fast autofocus to its extended battery life and seamless connectivity, it's a perfect companion for photographers of all levels. If you're looking to elevate your photography game, this camera is definitely worth considering. The Nikon Z9 mirrorless camera and its FDZ2 adapter kit. Packed with features designed to elevate your shooting experience, this camera promises to revolutionize the way you capture moments. Powerhouse performance. The Nikon Z9 boasts an impressive 45.7MP stacked CMOS sensor and X7 image processing, delivering stunning clarity and detail in every shot. Whether you're capturing landscapes or fast-moving subjects, this camera ensures unparalleled image quality that will leave you in awe.
Lichtning fast Autofokus.
Say goodbye to missed shots with the Z9's lightning-fast autofocus system. Powered by advanced technology, it can effortlessly track even the fastest subjects with precision and accuracy. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, you can trust the Z9 to keep up with the action every step of the way. Intelligent subject detection. With deep learning technology, the Z9 automatically detects and tracks a wide range of subjects, from people to pets, cars to planes, without the need for manual adjustments. This intelligent feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without distractions. The Nikon Z9 mirrorless camera with FTZ2 adapter kit is a game-changer for photographers seeking uncompromising performance and versatility. With its groundbreaking features and intuitive design, it's sure to exceed your expectations and take your photography to new heights. So why wait? Join the revolution and unleash your creativity with the Nikon Z9 today. So that wraps up our list of the best camera in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.